is Saron. I'm one of the area sales managers for Shield. I also head up the detailing aspect of the company. Today's event is really to showcase what the South African automotive scene is all about. Everything from having your car wrapped, to having it hydro dipped, to the exotic wheels, to air suspensions, paint, to leather, to electric vehicles. I mean, who would have thought, an event like this has got electric vehicles. That's what we're doing, is showcasing everything to everyone. One of the most interesting cars I've seen has to be the Audi S2. And it's got a wide body kit on there. And the actual air suspension, the sound suspension, it's done meticulously well. It's a rally build. And everything was fabricated here in South Africa. So we've got a Splitty a bus, VW, that we've actually reconditioned from the ground up. We also have a Beetle that's got a wide body kit. It's running on coilovers on 18-inch wheels, stunning. Then we also have an E93 M3. We also have an E46 M3 convertible as well. And then we have our beloved Mini Cooper that's on the actual Volvo trailer, you guys can see over there. That car really the combo, having the Mini on top of a Volvo that was converted into a trailer, just gets the wow factor.
My name is Niresh. My company is called Mansfield Paints. What I do is manufacture mainly automotive paint. Automotive, decorative, I do industrial coatings, wood coatings, so anything around the paint and painting, that's what I do. Right, this is a 2005 Lamborghini Gallardo, stock engine. I've got race pipes in here, I've got software, we've got an air suspension, I've got LS wheels. My registration is actually bipolar, because it's got actually two different sides of the vehicle. So this side is pink and the other side is blue. The wheels on the side is yellow and the other side is pink. Inspiration was mainly my little daughter. Her name is Tahani. This one here is at 2015. This is a Huracan. So the suspension basically standard. I put in a widening kit, the lowered springs, also software exhaust. What is the original color is yellow. So it's not the norm for high-end cars to do anything of this sort in terms of design.
My name is Mukesh Daya. We're promoting our brand called Black Spider. We do full car audio, security and entertainment. So far the event's been awesome. We've got our sound car, which has 8 subwoofers, 6 speakers, 8 amplifiers, all change. This is how it sounds. Then we go towards the back area, where we're running now the PlayStation with an inverter, with our own Black Spider stimulator, seats and everything.
Hi, I'm Richard. I'm from Stanford Tires. I'm the brand manager and business development manager for Falcon Tires. We are distributors to the country in terms of our product, and we've brought a whole bunch of tires, as you can see, and some vehicles to showcase for the public today. What we believe is, tires are what keeps you on the road, and safety is a huge importance when it comes to driving on the road, and you shouldn't be compromising when it comes to the small little footprint that takes you onto the road. Between the car and the road is only the tires, and it helps you as part of the suspension of the vehicle. It's an amazing part of the vehicle, and I wouldn't hesitate to put higher quality tires. Over here we've got our beast Rex. Rex is part of the JDB racing team. We supply them with the Falcon Mud-Terrain MT-01. This is a high traction tire, comes with a 3-ply sidewall. They've been racing 4 events in some of the harshest conditions in South Africa. And I introduce you to JDB Racing, Johan de Bruin and his racing team. They have another company, and it's a Safari Project. What they do is they take these Porsches and they do kits on them and they upgrade them to be able to almost make them rally type Porsches. In partnership with them, we've provided them with our Falcon Wild Peak 80 Trail. It's an SUV type tire with high load and high speed performance characteristics to be able to offer someone the opportunity to go beyond the road. It's amazing. One of the vehicles that they've got, they took from Walvis Bay to Mossel Bay. The only time they needed to go onto the tarred road was to put petrol in the vehicle.
Thanks for checking us out, and as always, please continue to support the South African automotive events. We really look forward to seeing you guys. We really look forward to you engaging with our products, and we love and appreciate you guys. See you at the next event.